the science of knowledge and the moral dimension of human existence, against those who would be perfectly indifferent to moral imperatives. In the quantum crucible, where particles whisper verses, I weave a kaleidoscope of questions that orbit like free electrons in the cosmic void. Are we custodians of a moral code inscribed in quantum entanglement, or architects of provisional ethics that disintegrate when observed under the microscope of consciousness? Poetics of the Infinitesimal. Every human decision is a wave collapse where right and convenient collide like twin fermions. What ethical fractals emerge when we measure the curvature of spacetime with moral compasses? The science of knowledge pulsates in superposition. We know that we ignore more than telescopes can grasp. The participant observer's dilemma. If you record your DNA in scores of light, will the verses encode universal mandates or free variations to be deciphered in a nebula key? Cosmic silence holds answers that hurt like unsolved equations. Questionnaire for navigators of paradox. Is moral indifference a black hole that devours photons of consciousness, or perhaps the singularity where new ethical constellations are born? If we cultivate neural gardens with seeds of uncertainty, will chrysanthemums of compassion or cacti of fractal nihilism bloom? By mapping the soul's genome with quantum algorithms, will we discover that goodness is a state of quantum coherence or merely background noise in the multiverse? Codex of broken mirrors. The answers lie at the interface where Maxwell's equations converse with founding myths. Aristotelian syllogisms tango with wave mechanics. Every human act is a two-slit experiment that casts shadows of meaning on walls of uncertainty. Weaving membranes of light between what should be and what could be, this catapult poem launches you into the fertile void where is moral indifference the last frontier, before discovering that ethics and quantum physics share the same language of probabilities and interdimensional butterflies? How can conceptual poetry be combined with existential questions to create viral content? What techniques can be used to make quantum poetry content more shareable? How can the science of cognition be used to delve deeper into the moral dimension of human existence? What examples of existentialist poetry can inspire viral content with positive messages of spiritual growth? How can readers be challenged to reflect on morality and human existence through poetic content?